Okay, welcome back again. The present population of the world is 7.6 billion. The present population of the world is 7.6 billion and it is expected to be 9.6 billion by 2045. Okay? But actually there is no relation between the economic status or the progress of a country with its population. Population is very important, though there is no relation between the economical growth with this population. Okay? Anyway, let us discuss about the population composition. What is the population composition? Population composition is the structure of the population. Population composition means the structure of the population with many aspects like the literacy, health condition, age, sex, occupation and income level. While we discuss about the population composition, we have to go through the population according to the age, literacy, health condition, sex, occupation or income. Anyway, the population structure of a country is described as population pyramid. Population structure of a country is described as population pyramid. We will learn what is the population pyramid. Okay, this is a population pyramid. The population pyramid reflects the number of different age groups. Okay, this is the top and this is the base. Okay, once again, this is the top and this is the bottom. The bottom of the population pyramid reflects the number of children below 15 years. So this area tells about the number of children below 15 years. And this is the top of the population pyramid. This tells about the number of aged people above 65 years. Okay? This area tells about the number of working class. These areas tells about the number of working people, both top and bottom, actually called dependent age. Okay, because both section, the top, I told you this is the aged people and here it is the children below 15 years. Both these two groups depending this working section. That is why these top and bottom groups are called dependent age. Okay. Anyway, the total population is divided into different or various age groups like 5 to 9, 10 to 14, etc. So, total population is divided into many age groups. Each of those again divided into male and female. Already the total population is divided into different age groups. The children are this much, then working class this much, then the old age people are this much. So it is divided according to the ages. Then again these all groups are divided into again male and female.